I'm Lilli Ann Carey, this is Yana Vinico, and we just finished a beginning swing class. Here are some of the things that we did. We started off talking about connection. I'm going to offer my hands like this. Yana's going to come into this connection. She's got her wrists bent, and she's got a little top pressure down onto my hands. When we do our basic, these hands are nice and still. If she's got pressure into my hands, I can lead her in a rock step. Rock step, she leans in, and we fall away. She leans in, I lean in, and we fall away. All right? Then we did an outside turn, a basic outside turn. So on an outside turn, I'm going to get out of my way to my right. Rock step. We're going to go to fingertip connection. I'm going to let this hand barely float over Yana's head. Yana's keeping her elbow down. She walks under her own hand. Triple, triple, and the hand floats down for the rock step. In time, it looks like this. Rock step, triple, triple, hand floats up. Triple, triple, and rock step. To that, we added the inside turn. With an inside turn, when I'm following the outside turn with an inside turn, not only does it fix the upside down hand that I have, this hand ends up this way, it allows that hand to correct itself. So we did an outside turn followed by an inside turn. I'm going to get out of the way each time. Yana is living in this space in the slot in the middle. Rock step, triple, triple, hand floats up, it stays up, triple, triple, boing, triple, triple, and rock step. One more time. Triple, rock step, outside turn, fingertips, inside turn, triple, triple, and rock step. I like keeping my eye on my follow. If I do that, it also helps keep my body in a better position. So my body is facing my partner, and it's facing my partner. That gives us a better position, much better than that one. Then we did a leads turn. On a leads turn, I'm going to get out of my way to my left. I'm going to walk straight forward, and I'm going to place this hand at my waist. She's going to maintain that connection all the way around, even if it's a sweaty, nasty shirt. I'm going to allow that hand to float down into my other hand. It could be this way, or it could end up this way. It doesn't matter. All right, looks like this. Rock step, triple, triple, and leads turn, triple, and rock step. As in many of these, when I'm doing my second triple and I'm turning, I'm going to keep my feet close together. It's going to make it easier for me to negotiate that turn. Then we did a leads turn sandwich. That's an outside turn, leads turn, inside turn. Rock step, triple, triple, outside turn, triple. I'm already opened up for the leads turn. But now, I need to get out of her way, and right now I'm in her way. So I'm going to back up and lead the inside turn. And so in this case, I can keep my eye on her the whole time, and it's just going to make for better dancing. So outside turn, leads turn, there she is. Oh, get out of her way, inside turn. Then we went in and out of closed. When we're bringing our partner into close, I like to hang back. If the music's faster, I can't. But in a slow speed, I'm going to hang back, rock step. I'm going to bring her in. I'm going to drop this hand down, bring it toward my right hip, triple, triple, and rock step. And we're just going to do a little 360 here. When Yana comes in, she's going to have her side connected to my forearm. This hand is loose and light. She's not reaching up. She wouldn't have to because I'm so short. But even if I was super tall, she would still keep this hand close to her side seam. Up to speed, it looks like this. Rock step, triple, triple into closed, triple, triple, and rock step, triple, triple, and rock step. And then, to send her out, we did a very simple underarm send out. I'm going to lift the hand on the rock step. She's going to walk out. I'm going to encourage her to go without any pushing. but depending on how busy it is on the dance floor, I may have to send her a variety of different places. Oh, there's somebody there, so I'm gonna send her over here. Or maybe I have to send her out this way. So if I have my hand, I can guide her that way, all right? Then we didn't cover it tonight, but I could walk out myself. I could just lift the hand and walk out, triple, and rock step. To do that, the only thing I need to know is to flip that hand over, so it's like I'm looking at my watch, and I walk straight under my own hand, all right? Then we did some fancy moves. We did a leads turn switch behind the back, looks like this. Triple, triple, rock step, leads turn, but I'm gonna free up this right hand. I'm gonna turn that calf right to right, and then the follow is, we're gonna rock step, rock. Lift, follows go, leads go, and rock step. Up to speed, looks like this. Rock step, triple, triple, to right, triple, triple, rock, lift, follows go, leads go, and rock step. And then we did one more move, which was a follows go, leads go. Timing's the same, feels very similar. Where I lead the follow to go, I'm leading a little bit more speed on that turn, just a little, without cranking. I'm gonna walk under my own arm on the second triple. We'll rock step together. Looks like this. Rock step, triple, triple, rock step. Follows go, leads go, rock step. Follows. When you realize that's happening, reach your hand up over the lead's head. It's going to make it easier for them to turn. Phew, I think that was it. Thank you very much, everyone.